This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients: 36 Oreo cookies, 8 Oz cream cheese at room temperature, 12 Oz semi-sweet chocolate, and 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Crush the Oreos in a food processor to a fine crumb, stopping when no large chunks remain. Alternatively, place cookies in a zip bag and roll with a rolling pin. Soften the cream cheese slightly so it mixes smoothly but is not melted. Measure quantities on a scale for accuracy and line a baking sheet with parchment. Transfer the Oreo crumbs to a bowl and add 8 Oz softened cream cheese. Mix by hand or with a paddle until evenly moist and pipeable. Use a 1-inch scoop or a tablespoon to portion and roll each portion into a smooth 1-inch ball between your palms, wiping hands as needed to prevent sticking. Arrange the balls on a parchment-lined baking sheet with at least 1/2-inch spacing. Place the tray in the refrigerator to chill for 15 to 30 minutes until firm to the touch. Melt 12 Oz semi-sweet chocolate with 2 tablespoons coconut oil in a double boiler or microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring until smooth and keeping temperature below 120 degrees F to avoid seizing. Use a fork or dipping tool to lower each chilled truffle into the melted chocolate. Lift and tap the fork gently against the bowl to remove excess coating, then transfer the truffle back to the parchment sheet. While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle crushed Oreo crumbs, sea salt, or a contrasting drizzle. Let set at room temperature for about 20 minutes or refrigerate for 10 minutes for a faster finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.